Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing nothing much. We're just kind of hanging out, driving around Selinsgrove for some reason. We're gonna go out to eat here soon. So yeah, follow along and see what's going on. Merging. You freaking sound like that was not. Got you. Jeez.
You got me too.
Oh yeah, twofer. That was a twofer. 2 for 1.
I think I'm.
Guys, I've been waiting like a whole year to do that to them, so I finally was able to. Because normally Nicole is my chauffeur,
Does too.
and today I'm the
always
chauffeur.
cautious about it because I know that you're gonna do something, but I don't ever know what it's gonna be. Well, today, didn't think about it.
I got you. So yeah, can you flip that camera around? I don't know. Is it right here? It should be like right here. Alright. Guys, look at that Jeep. It has like the... It's pretty cool. Alright, parking.
No.
Work it! Let me work it. Okay guys, we just arrived at our destination, Bonanza Steakhouse. I'm hungry, these guys are starving, we're gonna go eat. And if you like that last clip, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you probably inside. I don't know if you guys ever been to Bonanza, but they have like a buffet, and that's what we're gonna get. They have like a salad bar.
And I never been here before.
Yes, you have. And you've been here a couple times. Don't you love his hair? He needs a haircut. Guys, in the comment section below, tell him he needs a haircut.
How do I take these three off? Print out the one receipt, right? I don't need to put one in, put it back.
Yep, just one. Let's go. Enjoy your lunch. Thank you. Guys, look at this buffet. That's the salad bar. Let's go real slow. Food over here, hot stuff. Please tell me they have my wings. Do they have my wings? Wings, where are you? Somewhere. Well, they have some type of wings. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Anyway. Is that what you're getting?
Yes.
You excited? Guys, so this is what we got. Get some wings. So bad. My salad. Chicken and waffles. Good stuff. Corn and mashed potatoes. Let's get it. Guys, for some reason that salad like really was not good at all. I couldn't do it, so.
Was that the ham stuff? Plate number 2? Plate number 1.
Third plate. Taco salad.
Second.
Yeah, you got wings, right?
Yeah. Massive shockwave when he speaks the dog.
Mm-hmm.
And a shockwave. Not like a normal ball. A shockwave.
What does a shark wave mean? Thank you. You're welcome. Sure.
Shock.
Shock. Shock.
Shockwave.
Wait, what video is this?
Well, he stays underwater for 24 hours.
Yeah, but who?
Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast.
Yeah. Eats sushi underwater.
Sushi.
And my favorite part is when they had to check on him, and he says, "I'll go check and see if he's dead. He's probably dead." He's still alive. Somebody made a sound and they had to figure out which one it is. And Devin got this jingle bell thing, which is like 3 metal things with this thing, and it's on a long platform. And you hit it and it goes ding. And Devin hit it, and the ears, he said, "Are your ears ringing like mine are?" Yeah. And Colin's got it right.
This is our last trip up. We're gonna get some ice cream, right? We're gonna get something for dessert, maybe some pie or something.
And we might go to my mom's friend's house with my ice cream.
I like the blue jello. Take a bite.
Okay guys, we're leaving. We're like stuffed. That was way too much food, way too many carbs. But hey, we enjoyed it. We don't do that every day. We're doing tarot card reading.
Look.
Here, let me see if I have a quarter.
I think I do.
Come on, man.
Here, grab the
Boom,
quarter.
boom. Boom. Where does it go? Let's see. Let's see. Where are you?
I think you put it up in that gumball thing. Right here.
Get in there.
Oh, maybe it's broke. Oh, are you broke? Okay, let's fix it. Oh, to the right. Spin, spin, spin till you can't spin anymore. Oh! Don't let it fall. Get him in.
Come on!
Ooh, you. Now what happens? Okay, step back. Oh, it came out right there.
Oh, so I can play. Yay,
Two
two
more.
more.
Would you like a gumball? There's gumballs right here, my child.
No.
There's a match of people.
Ugh.
Oh, you just let it fall through.
Ugh.
Let him fall down. Let him come down to the end of this right here. Then flick it up. Turn it all the way this way.
It's stuck. There you are. Fixed it. No.
That's okay. You still got it.
Still got
Hey, that's really cool.
Oh, a football and a soccer ball.
Basketball. I call it. Oh no. What is this? Ball. Glance. This is hot.
Guys, I'm switching over to Nicole's phone because my space ran out. I don't know what's going on. I gotta switch some things up.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Guys, check this out. You gotta check this out. This is freaking hilarious. I don't know what people think in their brains, but that's probably them coming out here. A jukebox hero. Check that out. Isn't that crazy? That's crazy! I'm still not comfortable recording in front of other people, like Nicole and Braden I don't care about so much, but just random people that are like walking around. They probably think I'm like half insane, but whatever. Here, show them.
I won these.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna go get fireworks for a party that we're gonna have on the 6th. So let's go fireworks shopping. Bye.
Okay, here we are at the fireworks store. Check that out. That's crazy. We're going in. Oh, buy one, get one? Let's do it.
That's like that one.
That's crazy. Look at that guy's hair. It's crazy. What did I do here? Okay, cool. Here we go. Let's do it. Let's see what's up. Check these out. This is like a big warehouse factory or whatever you call it of fireworks. I tell her the same thing. Check that out. Look at this thing right here. Look at this. Look at this thing right here. It's like a huge firework thing. Isn't that crazy? We are still shopping. We are still shopping. Then you'll figure it out. I don't know why she's talking like that. I'm a freaking weirdo, man. This is what we got, guys. Right there. 2 of those. Check that out. When we get around the corner here, I'll show you. Look, turn around and show the camera. Look at all those fireworks. Are we excited?
Yes.
Let's do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my house now. My camera went dead, but we did end up going and buying some fireworks. Nicole bought some fireworks for our party that we're about to have. They're outside right now doing a couple of those, doing some trial ones. Like I said, my phone, actually I think I said my phone went dead. Actually my memory ran out, so I had to vlog off of her phone, which I'll have to wait for that footage to come over. So let's roll outside and see what the fireworks look like.
Oh my.
Here we go. We got all kinds of fireworks.
He's
Look,
just too
look
tough
on the
for
chair.
that thing.
Right there. All this cool stuff. Alright, there we go. There we go.
Smoke grenade. It's a smoke grenade.
Well, that's lame.
I know.
What'd you expect?
Put it away.
I just spent my name.
God, I remember like.
Okay, so I actually came out here to look at the fireworks. I heard some going off. I thought it was going to be pretty cool. They're just chintzy little things, nothing exciting.
Okay, well then let's.
No, wait. Hang on. Let me vlog.
Oh, sorry.
Now, when we do the bigger and better ones on the night of the party, I'll vlog all that, and then you guys can see that too. We'll do this elephant thing quick. It's probably going to be lame like the rest of them. Like, I think it's more for like little kids stuff, which is fine, but
Can't get it to sit up.
it's kind of in the middle of the day.
You think that's gonna hurt? That tank.
No, it should be fine. See what it does. Step back, Brayden.
Flames though.
Oh, it's like pooping.
Okay, it was called Circus Peanut.
It's so stupid.
Did you get 2, Brayden?
Little puppet. There you go.
There we go.
All right.
Careful.
You want to do the fountain?
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 50 subs, which is awesome on this channel. More to come. We're going to have a lot more cool stuff coming up in the summertime. Everybody that's subscribed so far, thank you so much, and we love you. Have a good day.